Okay, so in this video, we are going to be talking about how to batch print from Credit Repair Cloud. So they recently went through some changes. This is now Credit Repair Cloud 2.0. And before, you'd be able to see all the letters that were up here. So when we clicked on the batch print button before, nothing happened. Now, I have learned that you actually have to click on pending batch print. So it looks like it's grayed out and it looks like you're not able to select it. So it can be a little bit tricky because before 2.0 came out 1 week ago, you'd be able to see how many letters you have available to print. But with the cloud mail, it can be very tricky. So at first we thought, oh no, we have to go in and now print, individually in all of our accounts, and that's going to be horrible. So we tried to go to errors. We now see that you have to click on pending batch print. Now you can send them all with cloud mail, which can be expensive. So if you send a lot of documents like we do, it's better just to batch print them. So we're going to go ahead and go to the batch print. This will allow you to print all of the letters like you did previously. So you'll see here, here's all of our letters that need to be done. Currently, we have about 324 letters. So we have quite a bit of letters, and then you would go ahead and print them from this batch print screen. Now you can batch print from this by either printing and mailing, which you can download and print here, right? So if you select all of these letters in this on this page, there's 20 letters per page, you can select download and print selected letters, okay? And of course you can filter up here, but that's not really necessary because these are all of your unprinted letters. So you want to download and print the selected letters, or you can print the selected letters with Cloud Mail, which we are not doing a lot of Cloud Mail right now. We're testing it out first to see how well it works, and if we want to move forward, we can. So that's how you batch print now with Credit Repair Cloud. My name is Nicole Scott. Make sure you follow me on YouTube at Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Follow me on Instagram at Credit Coach Pros. Follow us on TikTok, entrepreneurship.fit. We're also on Facebook, Credit Coach Pros, or entrepreneurship.fit. So make sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.